What's going on, everyone? This is the Corsair Vanguard 96 keyboard, and today we're gonna unbox it and review it. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. What's your favorite keyboard you've ever used? Now let's see what's inside. Of course, you get your Vanguard 96 keyboard, but you also get a detachable magnetic palm rest, a really nice braided USB-C cable, a warranty card, a safety manual, and a 2-in-1 keycap and switch remover. And that's everything that's in the box. Let's plug it in and I'll tell you more about the keyboard. Right off the rip, I can honestly say this keyboard looks absolutely amazing. I'll be using the Vanguard 96 for gaming, streaming, editing, designing, pretty much everything. This keyboard will work perfectly for most people. Also, if you're a hardcore mouse and key gamer, this keyboard has 8,000 Hertz hyperpolling, which delivers a 0.125 millisecond response time, so it's extremely fast. It has a 96% layout, which is basically a full-size keyboard that has been compressed. You still get the number pad, the arrow keys, the function row, but everything is packed tighter so it doesn't take up the entire desk. The build quality feels really good, the frame feels sturdy, the keycaps feel durable, and overall it just feels really well made. It has a clean look with a really nice modern design, so it'll fit into pretty much any setup. It also has PBT keycaps, which means they're going to last longer and it won't wear down so fast. Let's talk switches. The version I'm using is the Corsair MLX plasma switches, which are smooth and linear, but there are actually multiple switch options available depending on your needs. I really started appreciating the wrist rest the longer I stayed on my computer, and if you're not a fan of a wrist rest, you can easily remove it since it's magnetic. Also, the back of the keyboard has a built-in cable routing channel, so you can run your cable exactly how you want it. That's super useful if you care about having a clean setup. You will get full RGB that you can customize to your liking, an LCD screen that lets you display custom animation, system info, and it works together with your rotary dial. Another thing I really like is it has 6G keys on the side, which you can customize for whatever you want. That's super useful for streaming, editing, or just shortcuts in general. This keyboard is a virtual Stream Deck integration, which makes it feel perfect for a streamer. One of the biggest complaints I saw before purchasing the keyboard was that you had to use the Corsair Web Hub to customize it, but as of March, the Vanguard 96 is now compatible with Icue software, just like all the other products, which makes the keyboard even better and even easier to use. Overall, this is a great keyboard that gives you everything you need in a 96% layout. It's perfect for gamers, streamers, anyone that wants a powerful keyboard for productivity. I highly recommend it. It feels great, it sounds great, it works amazing. I'll have a link down below if you want to pick one up for yourself. Until next time, see you later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Have a good one.